Alright, what's up everyone? Another video today. And so a whole bunch of stuff went on with the car and we finally got it back. So we left it, dropped it at the shop or whatever. And then they called Ramon saying that the car wouldn't start. So Ramon went to go pick it up and they flooded the engine. So he had to go take it to Mazda. He took it to Mazda and then got it unflooded. So back here now and still not painted. I'm gonna be painting these black and then we're gonna be mounting the fog lights on them. So yeah, so that's what we need to do. We already took the side ones off. We just need to take the bottom ones off, which I don't even want to take them off.
Alright, so are we gonna put on the map?
Yeah, so I can take those off. We can pull these tabs. Where's that?
He's not strong like me.
Because he's used to picking up that, you know.
What? Hold on, there's one more. You got it.
Don't fold it on it because these little tabs will break. Alright, so we're gonna be painting these black. One doesn't like the chrome.
Hell no. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, I'm telling you they hurt. So not a bend them a lot either.
Yeah.
Boy, they're gonna be trying to get him. Oh, this still bent, and this still bent.
It's all right.
Huh?
Said all right. Just like that. Drip it.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna be using. It's Krylon. And it's pretty nice. It's way better than Plasti Dip. And it's like gloss black, so it's like shiny. And this is what I painted the front of the Lancer with after, and it looks way better. It looks glossy now. Before it looked like matte. It looked
like fiberglass.
Yeah, it was like Plasti Dip, so it didn't look that good. Here, where's the pieces?
You wanna do the so we gotta do the inner work, man. Yeah. Yeah. The in part, yeah. Hey.
Huh?
Like that. We gotta do the in
Yeah, right. Yeah, so this part.
You see?
Yeah.
Make sure we keep that. So just so we can see, like.
I'm gonna paint it on, so it don't matter. Put them on. Put them on. That one is the...
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
Here. Oh, got him. Huh?
This is what they took forever to send you?
I know, like the bumper got here first.
What is this?
Pretty good, huh?
Always seeing like mount them. See how they look. Did it come with screws and stuff or no?
I think so. It's a little box of stuff in there.
I just see the brackets.
Should come with screws. Yeah.
Alright, so those are the LEDs.
What's this? That's for food. Boy, how car should have been painted by now.
For real.
Huh?
For real.
And then
That had to happen.
always something. Oh, yeah. Wasn't recording, by the way.
Huh?
It wasn't recording. I had to turn it off.
Alright, so. Go like this. Let me see the light.
That makes more sense like that.
What, that go like
Put it in a little bit more.
Okay.
I think it's
I
probably.
need to flip this bumper or something, but I can't see.
Can be. A la verga, su madre. Yeah, like that.
There.
Yeah.
Like, but how much do you want it sticking out? That's the thing. That
Just a little bit.
Look, like that? Look at it like that.
Well, I'm more wearing it, but this big.
Look at it like that. Is that good?
Yeah. Pretty good there. Y se lo ponemos aquí. Mira. Voy.
Alright, give me a screw.
Hey,
One of those smaller
what do you
ones
put
I
in
gave
here?
you.
1, 2.
Boy. Give me a screw.
Cause it's cold outside and I don't know why. I'm just living my life. I'm just living my life. Nothing's what it seems. Got a pocket full of dreams and the world that'll freeze. So enjoy the warm breeze. I'm just living my life. I'm just living my life. There's nothing I want more, nothing else I want to.
After struggling a little bit with it, we got the fog lights in. That was a little bit of a struggle because they had these little screws that didn't even fit on the fog lights, so we had to make new holes on the fog lights for them to fit in. But with both of the sides, I like how it looks. I really like how I kind of even like it like by itself without the grill. But the grills should be ready already, so they should be dry and everything. We're just gonna. Oh yeah, we've been at this for a while, so we're just gonna put the grills back and then won't be wiring the fog lights to see how they work. Alright, so put it on and wow, it looks pretty good. It looks really good with the blacked out and with the fog lights on there. It looks so nice black too, and like perfect. I can't really see it from far, but it looks good. So the old bumper, the new just needs to be painted. It's gonna be painted soon, so coming soon. So now try and wire them out. Hopefully it's not that hard. Just literally all it says right here. See if I focus. No, I won't focus, but it says fuel pump relay installation diagram. So have to try and figure this out now. Let me see if I can figure it out, and then I'll show you. Alright. Alright, so we finally wired them, and it looks pretty good. I had like 3 wires, but man, I just literally cut the ones that connected to the fog lights, and we just connected these. Here's that other one, that white one.
So we're finished, and this is the end result. Velocity bumper and LED lights. Damn.
Oh, let me turn them on.
They look clean. Turn them on. Hey. Looks mean. That's it for the videos, guys. So till next time. But they look clean now. I'm gonna get it painted probably sometime next week, and I don't know. Good things are coming through, so.
24 hours later.
Alright, so look how the trunk came done painted. pretty nice. But the only thing we were thinking, like, we should have thought about before they painted the car was, oh my god, this battery's about to die too. Okay. That we should have left these black, you know, because it's kind of like a canner lip, you know, kind of thing. And it would have made it stand out more if this little part was black, you know. So
I ain't here for the money,